Hey everyone, welcome to today's fitness journey, where we're taking you from beginner to beast with our 21-day plank challenge for core strength. Whether you're just getting started or already crushing workouts, this challenge is designed to help you plan like a pro, progressing from just 10 seconds all the way to a jaw-dropping 5 minutes per session. From beginner to beast. Let's do this. First, let us understand why planks are a game changer. You might have heard crunches are the secret to strong abs, but guess what? Research shows planks sculpt your core faster than crunches ever could. Why? Because they engage not only your abs, but also your shoulders, back, and even legs. Today we're starting simple, and before you know it, you'll be holding a plank for 5 minutes like a beast. 1. Getting started. Alright, day 1 starts easily with a simple 10-second plank. Remember, form is everything here. Set your forearms down, elbows under your shoulders, and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Don't let your hips sag. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes. Neck neutral. Look just ahead of your hands. If you feel shaky, that's okay. This is just the beginning. 2. Progressing through the challenge. In this 21-day plank challenge, we'll add a few seconds daily to help you gradually build endurance. No sudden jumps, just small wins daily until you're planking for minutes. That's the key, consistent progress. You'll unlock new strengths you didn't know you had. Don't worry, you will be sweaty but smiling at the end of day 7. By the end of week 1, you'll be holding planks for 30 to 40 seconds. But don't stop now. We've only just begun. Three. Top 5 plank variations for a stronger core. Let's spice it up with top 5 plank variations to keep things fun and challenging. These variations prevent boredom and target different muscle groups, strengthening your core. 4. Let's demonstrate each variation. 1. Forearm plank to full plank. Switch between forearm and high planks to fire up your shoulders and triceps. 2. Side plank. This one torches your obliques, the muscles along the sides of your waist. 3. Plank with shoulder taps. Tap your shoulders while keeping your hips stable. It's harder than it looks. 4. Plank with leg raises. Raise each leg alternating to engage your lower abs and glutes. 5. Plank jacks. Jump your feet in and out like a jumping jack. This is a great cardio burn. 5. The mental challenge. Push past the plateau. It's normal to hit a wall around the 2-minute mark, but mental strength comes in here. Think about your goal, holding a 5-minute plank by the end of this challenge. Break it into chunks if needed. Count to 10 repeatedly, or focus on breathing deeply. I remember the first time I tried a 3-minute plank. My whole body was trembling, but I told myself, just one more breath. That breath turned into 10 more, and before I knew it, I hit my goal. So be patient. It will not be easy, but you will reach and surpass your goals with patience and consistency. 6. Beast Mode. Reaching the 5-minute mark. From a shaky 10-second plank to a solid 5-minute hold, you'll amaze yourself with what's possible in just 21 days. Remember, progress isn't about being perfect every day. Some days you'll feel like giving up, but you're still moving forward even if you drop to your knees mid-plank. And guess what? You're officially planking longer than most people ever will. You did it. You've gone from beginner to beast. Whether you hold a plank for 30 seconds or 5 minutes, the most important thing is showing up and getting stronger every day. If you've made it this far, let me leave you with a few tips to make the most out of your planks moving forward. Incorporate planks into other workouts. Try holding a plank for a killer finisher at the end of your workout. Practice mindful breathing. Deep, controlled breaths can make planks feel easier and help you last longer. Make it a habit. Consistency is key. Even holding a plank for 1 to 2 minutes daily can transform your core strength. Challenge yourself with friends. Turn it into a friendly competition. Who can plank the longest? You might surprise yourself. Remember, fitness is about the journey, not perfection. Celebrate every second you add to your plank time, no matter how small. I know firsthand that planks are rigid and uncompromising, but it's in those moments when you feel the burn and think about giving up that real progress happens. Trust yourself. Every second you spend planking builds a stronger, more resilient you. Not just physically, but mentally too. Keep pushing, keep breathing, and keep showing up. No matter where you are in this challenge, you're already a step ahead of where you were yesterday. Now that's something to be proud of. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me how long your best plank was. And please like the video. I'll see you in the next challenge. That wraps up our plank challenge video. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed the content and feel stronger already, please share it with your friends. Your support helps us grow this community and keep bringing you more content like this.